SPY this morning, a little bit below yesterday's close. Yesterday was a rough one. It was doing all right, it was doing all right all day until the Fed meeting. And then it collapsed. 2 o'clock, it just dropped really hard, had a little rally, and then just slammed all the way down to the close. We lost a ton in just a couple hours. Our watch list this morning, we got all the big players today because there's nothing really that's moving real big this morning as far as like earnings, or we got WBA, that one was earnings I think, and Facebook is still moving. Moo is still moving from yesterday. JNJ is still in play. We got a few here that are still in play, but we'll see. We'll see if the market is gonna rally today or if it's just gonna dive below 250. We'll see. SQ, I take this short right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in full. All right, we're full in. Day looks good for a short. It's been downtrending for a while. It's at a critical area here, just like yesterday. Intraday gaps down a bit. Now it's being bought up by the dippers. I think once it's done, it'll turn around and drop. Probably go below the lows here. But stop loss on this one will be probably around 59.60 area. And target, I'd like it below 58. But we'll see what the market does here. Squeezing right now, this one does it to me every time. I always jump in this stock too early and it squeezes. But it always comes down and it goes below my entry. That's right, we'll give it a little bit, and if it doesn't stop, we'll just get out of it. SQ, we're going to come out of this right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out for a loss. I don't like it. Good size loss on it. I just see the market here. It should have fallen. It didn't fall. So I'm thinking this thing is going to go up a little bit higher. But we'll see. We'll revisit later. We'll take it again if we can. If not, we'll just take another one. There's plenty of stocks. For an 80-cent loser on that one. I'm going to take J&J right here for a short. All right, we're in. We're in at 128.14. This stock's been in play for a few days now. Got hit really hard. Took it a few days. I think we took it yesterday. We took it the day before, I think. But it's been in play. A lot of volatility. Intraday, it opens and it flushes for a bit. Then it gets a sharp squeeze right back up here. And now it's coming down. Market is turning around here. J&J, it's coming down to us here. Let's take a look at this. Target, I like it around 127.25 area, and stop loss will be over 128.75 area, depending on what the market does. I usually trade the direction that the daily is trending on. Wait for a pullback on the intraday, like this right here, and then short it. J&J just shot down to our target area. We'll see what happens here. Let's see if we can get this a little lower. It's looking all right here. Market is steady. You know what? I'm going to try to take this right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for about 70 cents. Take that. Recoup some of that earlier loss. Oh, and it drops more now. As soon as we get out of it, it drops. Another 10 cents. SQ. We're going to take this for another short right here if it gives it to us. All right, we're in. We're in at 59.45. Second trade on it. We took it for a loss earlier. I'm just trying to shave something off. I see the market still going down. So this thing went down. It started going up. Don't really know why it started going up, but it started going up. I think it just wanted me to get in it. So we'll see. Once it gets below 59, we'll come out of it for just to shave some off here. Should crack right now. Let's take this up a little bit closer. Let's try this right here at the 90. All right, we're out. We're out for about a 60-cent winner. Oh, and it drops even more. Oh, look at that thing. That's all right. We got back some of that loss from earlier. Facebook, we're going to take this for a short right here at the ask. All right. We're in at 134.69. I'm thinking this thing is going to be done here, and this thing is just going to collapse. But market just started to run here a little bit. So I got to keep an eye on this. I got to be careful now because this thing is very down. This stock is very extended to the downside. Daily looks good though. Daily looks good for a short. This thing was falling for a while. Had a rally there and then boom, got slammed down yesterday. You know, we took it and we got out like around the 40 area, 41 or somewhere around there yesterday, and then it just dropped all that. So intraday it gaps down a little bit and it has a rally all the way to here. I think this thing's extended because I think once the buy-in stops here, it's just going to turn around, continue back down, at least to below the 9 here, and that's where we'll take it. I like to take it somewhere around 133.50 area, depending on the market too, because if the market shoots up, this thing will just go up and we'll have to get out of it. Stop loss, I'd be a good size stop loss on this, probably around over 136. Yeah, easy. Because this sucker can move as fast as it moves up, it just drops hard too. So, and when you get a big sell like that, not everybody sells their whole position. They sell it in pieces because if they sell it all at once, it'll drop twice as hard. You know. SQ, we're gonna take this for another short here. If it gives it to us at the ask. All right, we're in. We're in third trade on it. First one was a loser. Second one got some of it back, and we're going to see if we can get the remaining loss back on this one. I'm thinking the market's going to fake a little wake up here, and then it's just going to turn around, go back down. I'm thinking. SQ looks like it's coming our way here. Probably take it once it gets below 59. See if it can crack 59 here. We'll take it at 58.95 if it gives it to us. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over 40 cents. Got me into green on the trade, which is good. Facebook, we got in it and it squeezed a little bit here. But I think once this one's done here, it has no choice but to come back down. Facebook, all right, it's coming down. All right, we're going to take this right here if we can. All right, we're out. We're out for a little over 80 cents. I'll take that. Yeah, I was waiting for that big red candle. We had a big green candle here, and we got the same red candle back. Now, this stock will probably continue downward because the market's going down. But it's just safer to take. For me, anyway, it's safer to just take. Look at that thing. It's still dropping. But that's going to be it for me today. I don't really see anything else. We're up 257. Let's take a look at the trades. Mostly winners and one loser. Our biggest winner was on Facebook, and our loser was on SQ. Thanks for watching.